Good morning, students. This is our second math lesson video, and we're going to start Unit 14, and we're going to learn about graphs. So if you open your book, your math book, you will see Unit 14. You have this picture. So please get your book and open this page. In this chapter, you will learn to read lists and tables. You will read, so lists and tables over here, read pictograms and read block graphs. So for example here, the girl is saying, how many golden squirrels are there? And the boy is saying, how many red squirrels are there? You can use this table to find out. So for example, golden squirrels, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And red squirrels, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to start this unit by learning how to make lists. I would like you to watch the video and count together how many animals do you see. After the video, we're going to put the list together. Now that we have seen the video and saw all the animals, if we were to write down a list, it would look like this. So you would have your 6 next to butterflies, 1 next to turtles, 3 ducks, 2 frogs, 5 beetles or ladybugs, and 4 crabs. So that is how we make lists. We observe, look at a picture, and write down the information we see. Now open your activity book to page 162 and 163, as you can see here on top. We are going to be doing exercise 1 and exercise 2 part 1. So reading lists and tables. Number 1. Sally is going to buy these vegetables from a supermarket. Shopping list. 6 carrots, 8 chilies, 4 potatoes, 7 tomatoes. Write the missing numbers. So what you guys have to do here is you have to find the words over here and write the answers. For example, A. She needs carrots. How many carrots does she need? Where can you find carrots? Up on top. How many? 6 carrots. So you're going to write number 6 over here. Next is tomatoes. After tomatoes, we need more chilies. She needs fewer potatoes than carrots. So for this one and for C and D, you have to pay attention to more and fewer. So A and B, you're only looking for the number of carrots and the number of tomatoes. But for C and D, you're looking to find out how many more and how many fewer. So she needs chilies, more chilies than carrots. The number of chilies is 8. The number of carrots is 6. So how many more is 8 when compared to 6? Is it 1 more, 2 more, or 3 more? Let's count together. 6 to go all the way to number 8. How many more do we add? So starting on 6, we will add 1, 2. So 8 is 2 more than 6. So this will be your answer here. She needs 2 more chilies than carrots. For the fewer one, you'll be going backwards instead. So you'll be going this direction. And E, Sally's mother asks her to buy 3 more potatoes. Sally needs to buy potatoes altogether. See over here, 3 more potatoes. So you'll be adding this 3 to the total number that she has here already. 3 plus 4 potatoes that she needed before. That will be your answer over here. On page 163, read for number 2. The table shows the number of cupcakes baked. So you have name, Alice, Betty, Colin, and Dawn. Number of cupcakes. Alice baked 10. Betty baked 9. Colin baked 5. And Dawn baked 12. You're doing the exact same thing you did here, now with cupcakes instead. So let's see. Betty baked, again, read the whole sentence, more than Colin. You're going to compare the number from Betty to Colin. and you will do this again. Except you're going from 5 all the way to 9. How many more is 9 than 5? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more? How many more? Next is B. We need a name over here. Baked the most number of cupcakes. So who has the highest number of cupcakes? Is it Alice, Betty, Colin, or Dawn? Which number is higher, 10, 9, 5, or 12? C. Baked the least number of cupcakes, meaning the fewer, the smaller number. Who baked the smallest number? What is the smallest number? 10, 9, 5, or 12? Write your answer over here. For D, Alice gives Colin a few of her cupcakes. Now she has the least number of cupcakes. Colin still has less cupcakes than Betty. Alice gives Colin how many cupcakes? So one more time. Alice gives Colin a few of her cupcakes. Now she has the least number of cupcakes, meaning the smallest one. So between Colin and Alice, Alice has to give him a few so that he has more. How many will she give him? This will be our first lesson on Unit 14. Thank you, students.